How to remove someone from Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove someone as a visitor or a team member from your Monday workspace. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over our account on Monday.com. So this is our workspace, as you can see, and we're going to head over at the header at the right side from here. We are going to click on the header or the name of the account, and then we can go ahead and head over the teams. This is the first thing. You can go ahead and see the users that you have, for example, by managing them, and you can go ahead and click on manage the or user management. You're going to find the filter of the users like viewers, guests, members, or admins. After that, you're going to be able to add the user or remove it. So I'm going to invite, for example, Jack Smith, for example, like that. I'm going to put an invitation. I'm going to put it as a member or something like that. We're going to have it like this. We can go ahead and see them right away here. I hope that it is going to show up. This is it. So this is the person or the, let's say someone that we want to remove. I'm going to click or tick the box here, and we can go ahead and have some, for example, the role of it. As you can see, we can have the status of it and etc. So I can go ahead and manage the team, for example, or the users or whatever. And then we can go ahead and put it as, for example, viewer or guest. And then we can go ahead also and remove that person. So I can go ahead and click on here, and I can go ahead and cancel the invitation. As you can see, if it is going to be an activated or a verified user, I can have this menu. For example, deactivate user, delete user details, reset password. This is for it. But here I have only the cancellation of the invitation. I can go ahead and cancel the invitation of it, and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.